Creating storage containers provides several key advantages for managing and optimizing storage: logical, organization, and delivery, default thin provisioning, storage efficiency controls, data resiliency replication factor. In Prism Element, choose Storage from the main drop-down menu. Then click on Add Storage Container and give your new container a name. In Advanced Features, you can customize and give external systems such as ESXi access using their IP address. If adding more than one, place a comma between addresses. Here you will see your new container. To delete a container, first migrate any used storage and make sure that no VMs or volume groups are currently active. Select the container you wish to delete. Right-click and select Delete. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.